Hey everyone, it's Tom with Acorn Ponds and Waterfalls here in Rochester, New York. I just got back into town and my pond is completely frozen over. Something must have tripped the GFI and I'm gonna have to take a look at that, but for now I need to get an opening in the ice. And there's a couple of different ways to do it, but what you don't want to do is take a hammer and break an opening in the ice, because that could shock the fish and it could kill them all if they're still alive in there. Hopefully they're still alive. Right now I'm going to put a hole in the ice by drilling it out. Oh, we're getting lucky because the ice is very thin. You can just take it out. It must have just tripped because otherwise the ice would be a lot thicker. So we got very lucky. Hopefully the fish are still alive. I got a hole in the ice and I got the aerators maintaining that opening in the ice, and this is just a reminder, go check your ponds in the wintertime, make sure your fish are going to be okay. That's it for today. This is Tom with Acorn Ponds and Waterfalls in Rochester, New York. Until the next video, thanks for watching.